In this video, guys, I wanted to do a part 3 on my AT-205 reseal series. Let me first off say that I have been and continue to be incredibly impressed with AT-205. Everything I've said in the prior 2 videos still stands. I couldn't be more impressed with this product. I think it's an excellent idea if you're experiencing minor oil leaks or transmission leaks or rear differential leaks, things of that nature. But what I want to focus on right now is one other option that you might want to pursue as you deal with oil leaks, especially on an older vehicle, a vehicle that's maybe 10 years old, 15 years old, 20 years old. You know, a lot of times when you have a transmission gasket leak, transmission pan gasket leak, or an oil pan gasket leak, you know, it's easy to access the transmission pan or the oil pan. It's just a matter of removing like 10 millimeter bolts, and you can just drop the whole thing, no problem. In other instances, however, in order to remove the transmission pan or the oil pan, if you're having a leak, it is, for example, covered by a cross member or other structural element on the car. And unfortunately, you're not going to be able to easily remove that. I mean, you're talking about a huge operation to try to remove a cross member and things attached to it. I mean, it's going to be a nightmare for you. So especially in those instances, what you can do is you can, either before or after you've tried your AT-205, and maybe you're still getting a little bit of a leak still, what you can do is, right here I have a 10 millimeter socket. This happens to be the new Icon sockets, which I really like, by the way. If you take like a 10 millimeter Icon socket, I got my Icon wrench, or socket wrench, and if you just go around, okay, this is 10 millimeter, and often these bolts are 10 millimeter, sometimes they're different sizes, but if you just go around and give first of all, you would confirm that it's leaking, for example, out of your transmission pan. And once you confirm that it's leaking out of that, there's seepage coming out, then you could go around and just slowly tighten up all of those bolts 1/4 turn, okay? Because when those come from the factory, they're usually fairly low on torque, 12, 13, 14 pounds of torque. So they're not torqued on very tight. And what can happen over time is that the gasket material can just kind of start to get a little bit thin as it ages. And so if you go around and give all of the bolts that hold on your oil pan gasket or your transmission pan gasket, if you give those 1/4 turn, just 1/4 turn, you're highly unlikely to strip anything or damage anything. And you are likely to give the gasket just a little bit of a tighter pinch, a little bit of a tighter fit. And in doing so, you may completely stop that oil leak. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, that I have done this in the past on a vehicle that I've used AT-205 on. So I just went around and tightened it up, snugged it up, 1/4 turn, all those 10 millimeter bolts, and that completely solved the problem for me. So I wanted to offer this to you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Appreciate the feedback I've got on AT-205. If you like my videos and you want me to keep producing them, I'd really appreciate you guys liking and subscribing. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Take care.